Did the IDF chief announce any changes in military tactics toward Lebanon in June 2026? The answer reveals surprising shifts that could reshape regional security and defense strategies in unexpected ways. In June 2026, the IDF chief publicly announced a strategic shift in how the Israeli Defense Forces approach Lebanon. The new tactics emphasize enhanced intelligence gathering and precision strikes aimed at reducing collateral damage. This marks a move from broader military actions toward more targeted responses. The change reflects evolving threats and the need to adapt to both conventional and asymmetric warfare challenges posed by groups operating across the Lebanese border. The updated military approach incorporates cutting-edge technology, particularly in drone surveillance and cyber warfare. Drones provide real-time intelligence, allowing forces to detect hostile activities more effectively. Cyber tools are also being deployed to disrupt enemy communication and command networks. This technological integration is designed to enhance situational awareness and enable rapid, informed decision-making on the battlefield. These tactical updates have broader implications for regional security. By improving precision and intelligence, Israel aims to deter Hezbollah's aggressive actions without escalating conflict unnecessarily. The goal is to maintain stability along the northern border and prevent flare-ups that could lead to wider hostilities. This approach underscores a balance between defense readiness and diplomatic sensitivity in a volatile region. The IDF chief's announcement in June 2026 reveals a clear evolution in military tactics toward Lebanon, focusing on precision, technology, and regional stability. These changes could redefine conflict dynamics in the Middle East. For more daily insights into surprising facts and answers you never knew you needed, hit subscribe and stay informed.